Technolite has done a good job. And although we were making ice cream, but then we were making many mistakes. Uh, Here, we not just got the idea of how to make the ice cream, but also going back to our business again, we will not make the mistake that we were doing. Um, So my name is Aditya Kumar. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand, and I am co-founder of Puresh Daily Foods Private Limited. We have recently launched Picnic Ice Cream brand. We have been doing dairy business for last 6 years, but then we committed so many mistakes. And now that we are entering into ice cream business, we wanted to make sure that we don't commit the same type of mistakes that we did during our dairy business. So that's why we got to know about Technolite, and as the name suggests, Technolite, it throws light on technical things, and the two tutor guide, Sandeep sir and Mukesh sir, they are great in their field. One is Maverick in machinery, while the other is in food technologist. He is great at food technology. We got to know about the basics of making ice cream. It's not just the recipe, which at many other places you just get to know the recipe and then you go. But here you go get to know about the basics, and with that basic, you can go and customize your own products. That is more important than having the already existing product recipe of already existing products. So I think that way, Technolite has done a good job. And although we were making ice cream, but then we were making many mistakes. Uh, Here, not just got the idea of how to make the ice cream, but also going back to our business again, we will not make the mistake that we were doing. I'm sure our batchmates also, they would, there are 20 of us, and they would also be able to get the same, knowledge and all that. Yes, thank you.
So, what is the importance of a 3 days training program if somebody wants to plan to join?
Yeah, see, one who is trying to enter into this ice cream business, or one who has been in the business for quite some time, they both should come here and gain that technical training, because this is technical training. And I don't know, I mean, nowhere in the country you get such kind of technical basic training. There are trainings, as I told, there are trainings, but they don't focus on basics. And here we are not food technologists, we have not studied food technology, so that's why we don't know the basics of it. Here we are coming and we know the basics of it, and all the calculations and how to customize, how to go and create your own innovative products. Those are important things, and those things you get to know in this 3 days training.
So, during this 3 days training program, we have also provided a training on laboratory, which is not completely uses right now in the industry. So, what will be the benefits if people will start the uses of laboratory in ice cream field?
So as I told, there were many other mistakes that we were doing in the dairy business, our earlier business. We don't want to commit the same mistakes. We were not using the standard lab practices that a good company should do. So here we got to know all the lab instruments, lab requirements, and compliances requirements. We will definitely go back and implement all those things which are actually required, but we don't follow it. So we got to know about all those things, and we'll definitely implement all those things in our factory.
Two words from your side for Sandeep sir.
Sandeep sir, as I told, is a great food technologist. He has studied food technology, and he knows the basic, and he knows how to transfer his knowledge to us. That's more important. There are many tutor guide who have many things in their mind, but they don't, they are not able to transfer it to us.
Two words. Yeah.
Yeah, and Mukesh sir, he is more into the practical part of things. He taught us practical things, machineries and all that. He is an instrument science engineering, and that's he's good at it.
Two words for your batchmates also.
Batch size was 20. and people from all over the India, even from other countries, they had come to attend. The best part is that you get to, network with other people. What problem you are facing, others may be also be facing, but here together we were solving our problems. And the best part is that the relation continues over the time, over the years, and our journey continues, relationship also continues, and we hope to get the best out of max out of our relationship that we developed here.
Thank you very much.